Alright, so now we are going to be doing an integration by parts problem. Alright, so the integral we are given is e to the 1 over x cubed dx. So in order to solve this, we first must do a u substitution. And we will substitute u as 1 over x. And when we differentiate this, what we get is du equals negative 1 over x squared dx. And then from here, when we plug this back into this expression right here, we end up with the integral of negative e to the u times u du. And when we factor out the negative, we get e to the u times u du. And then, so now we can use integration by parts to solve this integral. So the standard expression for integration by parts is the integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. But since we already have u's that we're using, we will change the variables and we will say that it's the integral of f dg equals fg minus the integral of g df. And we will substitute f, or we will say f equals u and dg equals e to the u. So when we differentiate this, we get df equals du, and when we integrate this, we get g equals e to the u. So then when we substitute this back into this equation here, we end up with negative e to the u times u plus the integral of e to the u du. And then when we simplify this, we end up with e to the u minus e to the u times u plus c. And then now we substituted in 1 over x for u, so it's time to substitute that back in here. So when we substitute in 1 over x for u, the final expression that we end up with is e to the 1 over x times negative 1 plus x over x plus c. And that is the answer to this integral right here.